Hey guys, welcome back. You're still tuned into Midcap Radar. Let's get you a very interesting conversation now. German automotive systems manufacturer ZF Group has opened its 19th plant in India. In an exclusive chat, the president of ZF Group India as well as the MD of ZF CVCS told Jude that the new plant could drive revenue growth in the commercial vehicle systems business. So here's a slice of that conversation.
India is a country in focus for ZF Group. In India, ZF Group, as you rightly said, has added its 19th plant today. It is primarily that in India we have a shift happening from ICE engines to electric. Both on ICE engines, the technology is moving up, or I would say ICE engines related products, as well as on the electric side, new platforms are coming into the country. That creates an excellent opportunity for ZF Group to use its resources, its technology, which we have with our 160 plus plants worldwide, to bring that into India, localize it and offer it to our customers, not only in India but export it. Okay. And this plant is very much in line with that vision, which we have opened today, which will cater to different segments, of course primarily to commercial vehicle, but also to the auto component sectors, onto the passenger car segment as well, and also wherever there are possibilities in certain specific components to export. So with that, I think it follows manufacturing 4.0. It follows running on renewable energy. It has 80% of women employees employed here, so it only gives me goosebumps of what Mr. Kaniappan is doing here.
Absolutely. And coming to you, Mr. Kaniappan, I know for a fact that, given the focus on all of which Mr. Passey mentioned, that investment number of 1,800 crore rupees is, of course, ambitious. What kind of a timeline are you looking at, really, insofar as investing this money is concerned? How much of it has already been invested? If you could just give us some updates.
Yeah, the timeline for 1,800 crores, we believe it's about 10 years from now. So the initial investment right now is about 175 crores, both building and land and building, plus some equipment. We plan to invest another 30 crore this year to start. So, but then we are working in multiple projects to support the domestic customers, also in some cases global customers. So that will be the plan for the full utilization of the entire site, which is 44 acres. In our view, about 10 years from now.
All right. Just to follow up there, how will this really impact the production footprint of ZF Commercial Vehicle Systems Limited, which is, of course, your listed entity here? What kind of production capacity do you see now after the investment? Will it change? And if yes, by how much?
Yeah, but if you see, typically we are growing at about 15% year on year, both from market and the technology through that. So this growth has to be supported by new capacities, because both our plants in Ambattur and Mahendra City, it is full. We are also expanding in our Ambattur plant more for engineering activities. So this will have to support our future growth, as India grows, as we grow, as most of the ZF products are going to be more relevant in Indian market now onwards.
All right.
And so this is going to be the growth.
All right, the growth driver.
Yeah.
Well, that was an exclusive conversation with the ZF Group amidst the backdrop of the Nifty staying firm above the 22,000 mark. That's all we have time now on this edition of the Midcap Radar. Your stocks when we return.